Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebony Bella. What you do? What's good? What's popping? Hope everyone is okay. For my new subscribers, welcome. I see you all. Thank you for supporting. For the old ones, thank you for stopping by again and supporting your girl. So today is a continuation of a video I made. I made a video on how I did my bundles from scratch with braiding hair, and today we're going to be making a wig out of those bundles. And also I'm going to be using my DIY closure that I made out of that same braided hair, or braiding hair rather. So guys, if you don't know how to do this, I'll leave a link to a video down below of how I made a frontal. If you can make a frontal, then a closure will just be like ABC to you. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to lay down the closure flat so I can stitch it. I believe everybody knows how to sew down the closure. There are like a million videos out there showing you how to sew a closure. So this is not really a tutorial, just to show you how I use those bundles that I made in the other video to do this wig. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link to that video down below. Go watch how to make your own expensive looking bundles from braiding hair. Those are bundles. So I already stitched like the first bundle down, and I'm going in with the second one, and that's just it. So I sewed the second one, and this is the last one. I think I'm going to show you how I sew down this third bundle. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, what's good, what's been happening, how's life treating everybody? So for the people who are not yet subscribed to my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on that red subscribe button down below so you can get this sugar goodness from me each time I post a video. And please also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. So I'm just using my pins to secure the width in place, and I decided to fast forward again because I didn't want this video to be long. It's not really a tutorial, but if you like to see a detailed tutorial on how to make your own wig, let me know down in the comment section, and I think I'll make a video for you guys, a detailed tutorial on how to stitch a wig. But I believe almost everybody knows how to. Let me not assume. Anyways, if you'd like to see a detailed tutorial on how to stitch down your wig, sew down a wig, or sew your width into wigs, let me know down in the comment section. So I'm just trying to sew the width as close to the neck as possible and trying to make it flat. That way will comb it, it shouldn't be bumpy. And my wig stand and the dummy head was really giving me trouble, so I was just moving all over the place. Anyways guys, as for my fingernails, nobody should come for me. I took my daughter to do her locks, and they had to dye her hair black to match with the lock extension. So I helped out and I touched it and got my fingers stained, and I've washed it so hard my fingers are even paining me, but they won't just come off, and my fingernails are looking really crappy. It's not like it's dirty, it's just the black dye that has stained it. So don't come for me. My hands are not dirty and my fingers are not dirty, just the stain. So I sew the other side and I'm on to the next one, and I'm done. I'm trying to party it and comb it and see how the wig looks. Just trying to comb it out and see where I want to put my part, if it is the middle part or part it at the corner, side part. So I decided to go for the side part. And that's our wig, a DIY wig from braiding hair. Everything is DIY. The bundles are made out of braiding hair. The closure was made out of braiding hair. So I went ahead to take my bath, dress up, do some makeup so that I could look posh, like to get the whole look together. You know, we're trying to fake a posh and expensive looking kind of wig, so I had to play the part. So I took my foundation and tried to put it there to make it look like it was bleach, and try to match it to my skin tone, and voila, I have the wig on and I'm already feeling myself. Guys, look at me. Who will come and tell me this is braiding hair? They'll just be like, God, that girl has money to get 30 something inches of Brazilian hair. Hi, mama. I beg. See guys, in life, just do what makes you happy. Like I said in the last video, use the little things around you to make you feel happy, beautiful. And see, the length is really long. And I'm slaying for nothing. Like, if I don't tell somebody, if somebody doesn't come and watch this video, they see me in my Instagram pictures or my Snapchat, they'll be like, God, how much did this girl get this hair? But I made it with braiding hair and I'm looking good. And voila, that's our look. Just feeling the hair, just touching it and feeling myself. So guys, if you watched to this extent and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, help your sister out. Thanks for watching and bye bye. Please click down below and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.